Welcome to the Learning Expedition. This channel is dedicated to exploring educational content that enhances your knowledge and skills. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery and learning. Stay tuned for insightful videos and tutorials designed to expand your understanding across various subjects. In this session, we will delve into comparing means using SPSS. Specifically, we'll explore the one-sample t-test and the independent samples t-test. These statistical methods are essential for analyzing data and drawing meaningful conclusions. Let's understand how they differ and when to use each test. A t-test is a statistical method used to compare the means of different groups. The one-sample t-test compares a sample mean to a known value, while the independent samples t-test compares means between two independent groups. SPSS offers a user-friendly interface to perform these tests without coding. The one-sample t-test in SPSS is used to determine if the mean of a single sample is significantly different from a known or hypothesized value, such as a population mean of 50. This test helps in validating assumptions about your data against established benchmarks. To perform a one-sample t-test in SPSS, open your dataset and navigate to Analyze Compare Means. One-sample t-test. Move your test variable to the right box, enter the test value you want to compare against, and click OK. This process allows you to efficiently analyze your data. Interpreting results involves understanding the data output. For instance, if we surveyed 749 people with an average organizational commitment score of 2.41, we can assess the variation and precision of this average. This analysis provides insights into the data's reliability and significance. Further analysis shows that comparing the mean against a test value of 0 yields a t-value of 72.283, indicating a strong difference. The p-value of $1 confirms statistical significance. The mean difference is confidently estimated between 2.35 and 20.48, highlighting notable organizational commitment. The independent samples t-test compares the mean scores of two separate groups to identify statistically significant differences. For example, it can determine if males and females differ in their organizational commitment scores, providing valuable insights into group dynamics. To conduct an independent samples t-test in SPSS, go to Analyze, Compare Means, Independent Samples t-test. Enter your test variable and grouping variable, define groups, and click OK. This setup allows for a detailed comparison between distinct groups within your dataset. The SPSS output provides a group statistics table and an independent samples test table. For instance, if males have a mean of 2.35 and females 250, the test can reveal significant differences. This data helps in understanding group-specific trends and variations. Step-by-step interpretation involves analyzing Levene's test for equality of variance, the t-test result, and the mean difference. A significant t-test result indicates a statistically significant difference between groups, providing insights into the data's implications. In simple terms, the independent samples t-test shows a statistically significant difference in organizational commitment between males and females. Females exhibit higher commitment, with a mean of 2.53 compared to males 2.35. This analysis highlights gender-based differences in organizational behavior.